The Google Pixel 8 Pro has been exposed once again in a new set of images that show the upcoming smartphone in an unboxed or being boxed state. The Pixel 8 Pro is shown off from all angles, and there is also a look at the accessories and the packaging for the 2023 flagship smartphone from Google. So hey everyone, I am Ayosh, and if you are new here, don't be shy, do subscribe now. The Google Pixel 8 Pro has suffered yet another image-related leak barely days after being the star of a few hands-on photos. In a series of what could be called unboxing images, but appear to be more accurately pre-boxing shots, the Pixel 8 Pro is clearly in a factory setting undergoing a last quality check and clean before being sealed inside its packaging. It seems that at least two devices are visible here, as there is one Google Pixel 8 Pro in the obsidian black colorway, while another appears to be dressed in porcelain. The images, which are not especially high-quality shots, show the phone along with the expected USB-C cable, charger, and what Google calls the quick switch adapter. The Pixel 8 Pro's matte rear surface can also be made out in this latest image leak. The Google Pixel 8 Pro, which will feature the Google Tensor G3 SoC and is expected to start at around $899, certainly looks like a typical member of the Pixel family with its distinctive camera bar. Unfortunately, the Pixel 8 Pro unboxing images don't really reveal too much more than what is already known, but there will likely be several more leaks before the Pixel 8 series is finally launched on October 4. The Pixel 8 Pro is rumored to have a 6.7-inch 120Hz Super Actua screen. It will feature a new 48MP ultra-wide camera, which could help it retain its spot as the best camera smartphone. It may also feature a bigger 4,950 mAh battery and faster 27W charging. Both Pixel 8 models will likely be powered by the new Tensor G3 chip and will be supported by Google for 7 years. The devices will be announced on October 4 alongside the second Pixel Watch and will reportedly go on sale on October 12. The base model could be a little pricier, but the Pro variant is expected to cost the same as last year. How will the Google Pixel 8 Pro's Super Actua display compare to the displays on other flagship smartphones, such as the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, in terms of real-world brightness and visibility in direct sunlight? Do let us know your thoughts about it in the comment section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.